guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I realize now that I'm always wearing, or rather the last time I was shooting, I was wearing this shirt. I don't only own one shirt. But it's not a thing, it's not like now when I'm doing tutorials, I'm wearing this shirt. Okay. So anyways, today I did this hair and it's like it's new to me. I've never done this before and I was trying out something new. So I realized that it's something I would have done for myself, but one, babes doesn't know how to braid, and two, I got into an accident recently. That's also one reason why I've not been able to like post, because a lot has happened in the past month and I've not been able to be in this platform as I promised, as much as I would have wanted to be. But I'm back and I'm good, and yeah, so I couldn't wash my hair and do this because of my shoulder. It's still healing. So basically I'm just going to take you through steps. So first thing I did was, let me get my products. Woo! That's a lot of products. So I just came from the salon and I need to do something and I want to show you because I think this is pretty cute, it's pretty cool, and I want to just share what I did, or like what I was thinking. So I was trying to recreate a look, but not exactly the same, from Sheila Ndinda, and she used her natural, just her normal hair, and she did she twisted lines and then she did twist outs for her front hair and then left it like that. Well, I wanted something that would last longer, and I wanted something that would be thick. So I decided that I'm gonna add, for me, Afro-Kinky is life. Oh God. Afro-Kinky number 2 is life. It had dropped down. Is life for me because every time I need to do an extension, every time I need to do something extra in my hair, is not that white is falling like nearly a farasi. Like nearly a farasi. So I use Afro-Kinky to come through. So I use Afro-Kinky number 2. Fluffy kinky, not fluffy kinky. So the first thing I did was I previously gelled my hair. So I needed to wash it. So I used 3's, and previously I was using the 3's for all hair types, and it did really well for me. So when I went to buy another shampoo, I decided to do the volume and body, me and my thinking that I know best. If you ask me, well, now I got too much and I think I have to just use it. But this is the better shampoo for natural hair, if you ask me, because this one leaves my hair feeling silky and a bit too, I feel like it just strips the oils from my hair. It's just like, yeah. So if you are looking for a shampoo and you want to use 3's, I would suggest that you use the 2-in-1 for all hair types, cleanse and replenish shampoo. And that is how it looks. They're rebranding, so you might find it looking different. Then after that, I conditioned my hair using this. Now it's good. Using curl hydration, also 3's. I don't know if it's 3's. But anyway, this is what I'm using. Curl hydration for curly or wavy hair conditioner. Yeah, someone can also tell me what this means, like 27 things when it comes to shampoos, because I usually take that which is more, thinking that maybe it's more concentrated. But that's something I need to look into. And if you know, you can comment below. So I washed my hair, conditioned it, then I just dried it with a towel. Then I used mango and lime black castor oil extra dark. Yes. So this is what I used. So I oiled the base and just the top. So I always use LOC. LOC means I use leave-in, then I use an oil, then I use a curling. But today I decided to do OLC, and actually I think it works better for my hair. So I oiled it, and then I used leave-in conditioner, Cantu shea butter. It's hydrating leave-in conditioner. Cantu shea butter hydrating leave-in conditioner. Instantly hydrates, shines and repairs, delicately detangles, prevents frizz and flyaways. So that's what I used. Today I was like, no heat. So we used this after she oiled, and then now, because I wanted my lines to be thick and my hair is not that long to form such thick lines, I just added a bit of Afro Kinky to do the lines. So I did the lines, and then for the front, I added now Cantu shea butter for natural hair, coconut curling cream, defines, moisturizes, and strengthens strands. Mambo ndio hayo. You can see. Oh my, work with me, bro, work with me. Gosh. So this is what I'm using. Now it decides to be clear. Yeah. So this is what I used. So I did twists. I twisted my hair, just normal twisting, and also the ends, because you'll see. So I think I should show you how it looked before I did everything. So that's coming right now. I didn't mention that I had to stay under the dryer for some time because I was in a rush. If I wasn't in a rush, I would have just let it dry out, but I was in a rush. So I decided to stay under the dryer after I did the twists. I stayed under the dryer for about 15 minutes. Yeah, so now I detangled it, as you've seen, and then we decided to secure now the lines, because you want to combine the lines and whatever this is going on here. So we used pins, just normal, they're called bobby pins, just normal hair pins, and we secured them together, as you have seen, and then this is the final look. So she just, it depends on how your face is, if your hair is also how long your hair is. If your hair is, mine is a bit long, so it's at that awkward stage where it's not so long and it's not so short, so it's just somewhere there. It falls and it can't stand. So that's why my hair is. If your hair is also so long, there's a way you know how to work with your hair. Either you let it fall down, you push it somewhere, how you pins, you the butter, whatever. Do you, boo boo? So for me, I do this. If your hair is short, I think it's actually the best, because you just let it stand and to be able to merge nicely. For me, I have to sort of like push it to the side. that is it, guys. And maybe one thing I need to add is, if you are a lady and you're taking Ubers at night, please, it is not safe. You'd rather, if you must, if it's a safe place you are in, please sleep there. Take an Uber, or ask someone to come pick you up from wherever you are, someone that you trust, because there have been very many cases which have been coming up about unsafe circumstances for ladies using Ubers in that night or at evening. So please take care of yourselves, and yeah, so much love. If you like what you see, if you want me to do something for you, please also follow my Instagram page, because that's where I feel like I interact more. I'm not so engaged here, but I'm gonna work on that. So go to my Instagram. That is where I engage more with you guys. Yeah? So if you're following me here and you're not following me on my Instagram page, at the book, I will link that in the description. Other than that, I hope you're having a lovely weekend, and I love you guys. Take care. Yes, you're so real.